Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm out in nature, soaking up the fresh air and putting some cool tech to the test. As an adventurer, I'm always on the lookout for gear that can keep up with me, and that's why I'm excited to be checking out the Ultrahuman Ring. I've tested the Ultrahuman Ring for over a month just to make sure that I can share with you some good feedback about my experience. First off, let's talk about why the Ultrahuman Ring is a game changer for adventurers. It's compact and discreet. The ring is super lightweight and comfortable to wear. Unlike bulky watches or wristbands, it won't get in the way during hikes, climbs, or any outdoor activity. It's waterproof, no worries about getting it wet. The Ultrahuman Ring is built to withstand the elements, whether you're sweating it out, caught in a downpour, or getting your hands fully soaked in the river. It has long-lasting battery life. I've been charging the ring once every 4 to 5 days so you can focus on your adventures without having to constantly recharge. While the fitness tech market is packed with options, the Ultrahuman Ring aims to distinguish itself through several key features. It has continuous blood glucose monitoring. Unlike most wearables, the Ultrahuman Ring tracks your blood glucose levels continuously, which is incredibly valuable for athletes and anyone interested in optimizing their health. But it requires a separate CGM sensor. It also has advanced sleep tracking. This is one of my favorites. Ultrahuman goes beyond basic sleep tracking. It analyzes sleep stages and heart rate variability to provide a deeper understanding of your recovery status. It also has personalized coaching. Based on your sleep and HRV data, the app offers recommendations to improve sleep quality and optimize recovery between workouts. However, it's also essential to consider limitations. It has limited activity tracking. While it tracks basic activities, the Ultrahuman Ring doesn't offer the extensive activity tracking features found in some competitor trackers. But for adventurers that go on long hikes, this ring is perfect. So if you're looking for a health tracker that can keep up with your adventurous lifestyle, the Ultrahuman Ring is definitely worth checking out. It's packed with features, built tough, and comfortable to wear. If you're looking for these particular features, the Ultrahuman Ring is perfect. It's for individuals seeking deep metabolic insights and blood sugar control, and also those interested in personalized coaching based on physiological data. And lastly, people who value a comfortable and discreet wearable for everyday health monitoring. On that note, it's important to know that I am not a medical professional and this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or exercise routine. Hope to catch you all in the next adventure.